At Ashtead, we've been using the LUMA optical modems since about 2019 in various subsea applications, such as in support of installation and construction activities where critical data is required by the end client. So we've recently used the LUMA modems on a couple of applications. One was grouting operations on a North Sea wind farm. So we were required to identify when the grout had reached the appropriate level to secure the foundations in place. So this was in roughly 50 meters of really turbid water, and the LUMA modems provided data reliably throughout that campaign. Another campaign that we did was during structure installations, where we've used the LUMA modems as the primary communication methods on our AMS and DMS systems, and they were providing fast, reliable, critical installation information, such as structure heading, attitude and depth, over a range of roughly 10 meters in water depths from 400 to 500 meters. Provides significant benefits to us over traditional communications methods. So the wireless communications allows the ROV to be free of any mechanical interface such as a hot stab, while still providing a super fast update rate for real-time data acquisition. And then compared to acoustic methods, it provides a much faster update rate than you would get out of a traditional acoustic modem, while using a significantly lower amount of power. So when we've got long-term packages deployed on the seabed for a long period of time, LUMA modems save a massive amount of battery power, which means the infrastructure can stay subsea for a lot longer. It's more in the quantity of data that you can get back. So the alternative usually is an acoustic modem to get the data back through an ROV. So the quantity of data, the volume of real-time data that you can get back through a LUMA modem is significantly more than what you can get back through a traditional acoustic modem. It's a benefit because you've got more data to analyze, and you can see issues happening or potential issues happening in real time. So it is easier to rectify any issues that could potentially be happening when you're getting more data through than if you were having to wait longer periods before getting bursts of data back through the system. We'd absolutely recommend LUMA modems for underwater communications, and that is why we have made them the primary communication technology on all of our subsea infrastructure installation monitoring systems.